Kawuok e weche mag doho, jalup jatend piny Kenya ngire Kithure Kindiki osingo mar keto nyime chenro mag neno ni jokenya obedo gimoro achiel kendo maonge akwede mag dhoudi kod pogruok. Twak mare mogolo kawuono. Kindiki bende ochiwo puoch ne en owuon kuom tich mane osetiyo lemo mar jatend migawo mar arita kwe ma iye.
We should heal our divisions, solidify our national unity, and pursue our country's goals as brothers and sisters, joined by the permanent bonds of our common heritage and our common future. I have had occasion in the past few days to ponder on how the orderly transfer of authority as called for in our Constitution takes place seamlessly in our country. I realize that my ascent to the office of Deputy President has taken place on the back of a hotly contested constitutional process. For weeks, the country was glued to parliamentary and judicial events whose completion is a testament or was a testament to our country's democratic credentials and the integrity of our Constitution.